So here is passive of simple present. So every student must know what is the method of passive of simple present. So when simple present tense can be written in different structures, so all the structures can be transformed into passive. So here is the general passive rule, O in bracket as S. So you should know object is treated as subject. Object is transformed into subject. And when the active voice will be changed into passive voice, the object of active voice will take place as subject in passive voice. Then after, in simple present, is, oblique and oblique are three auxiliary verbs which will be suitable with the subject. One verb will be applied. Then after, the third form of verb will be compulsory in changing active into passive. Then after by. Then after S as O means subject of active voice will be treated as object in the passive voice. मतलब सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट बना करके इस्तेमाल करना है. जहां भी अगर आप पैसिव वॉइस यूज करते हो, पैसिव वॉइस बनाते हो. अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्ट्रक्चर, हियर इज अफर्मेटिव and P means change into passive. Here is only the mark to know affirmative is change into passive voice. So the affirmative example is given to you. See, it's a mango. And when the sentence will be transferred into passive voice, the sentence will be a mango is eaten by her. Negative passive means negative sentence is changed into passive, then the sentence will be a mango is not eaten by her. Here a mango is the object of active voice, but here it has been used as subject in passive voice. This one is each, this one is her is here object, and in subject active voice this one is she. So she is transferred into her. So the sentence is a mango is not eaten by her. Interrogative, when interrogative sentence will be transferred into passive, then the sentence will be is a mango eaten by her. And when negative interrogative sentence is transferred into passive, then the sentence will be is a mango not eaten by her. Then after, WH, I means interrogative, P means passive. So WH interrogative sentence will be transformed into passive. Then first sentence begins with who. Means who eats a mango. And when the sentence is transferred, then who is changed into by who. And the sentence will take shape like by whom is a mango eaten. When which sentence will be transferred into passive, then which mango is eaten by her. Like saying what is eaten by her, because what here stands for object. Then when is a mango eaten by her. Then where is a mango eaten by her. Then how is a mango eaten by her. Then why is a mango eaten by her. So all these sentences are here changed into passive voice. So here is WH negative interrogative passive. So when WH negative interrogative sentence will be changed into passive voice, all these formats will be followed. So here the negative interrogative sentence, who does not eat a mango. And so when the sentence is transferred into passive, then by whom is a mango not eaten. Feel like the same, which mango is not eaten by her. Then what is not eaten by her. Then when is a mango not eaten by her. Then where is a mango not eaten by her. Then how is a mango not eaten by her. Then why is a mango not eaten by her. Now you must know the use of do and use of given. So use of do and use of able. So this one will be used with first person singular number I, plural number B, second person singular and plural number you, and third person plural number they, boys, girls, etc. अब स्टॉप दीजिए, इसमें एक चीज छूट गया.